How to become a coder from scratch. Think about why you are interested to learn programming language. Join related certification courses like C, C++, Java, Python, R programming, C#, etc. Choose your specialty, work on projects, create a portfolio, find a mentor or trainer, use your network.
My name is Rahul Trivedi and I am a computer science faculty at Aptech Learning, Panvel. Over here, I teach many programming languages like C, C++, JavaScript, Python, Java and many more. Along with that, I teach web development also over here using Java and Python. So feel free to contact us. When we are talking about functions, what is a function? It is a set of code which starts executing itself once you call that function or once you invoke that function. Now starting a function is also known as calling a function or invoking a function. Alright?
Hello everyone, myself Nida Tole, faculty in Aptech Learning, Panvel Center. Basically I take commercial subjects such as MS Office, Tally, Advanced Excel, Spoken English and English Intermediate. For further queries, contact Aptech Learning Panvel. अभी मेरा बहुत सारा डेटा है, दोनों इसमें A वाले में भी और B वाले में. K वाले में भी बहुत सारा डेटा है. ठीक है? अब मैं क्या करूँगी? मुझे 2 और 3 का आंसर 5 है. ये कहाँ से समझेगा? ट्रेस डिपेंडेंस है, क्योंकि ट्रेस डिपेंडेंट क्या करते हैं? क्वेश्चन का आंसर सर्च करके आपको है ना? मैं लिख देती हूँ आपको उसको. अब ट्रेस डिपेंडेंट भी मुझे पता है.
Hello, myself Mehul. Welcome to the Aptech Learning Center, Panvel. Today I am going to introduce you to the Python coding and why Python is very important today. In today's world, be it a website development, software development or data visualization and new technologies of AI, ML are all done in Python. The best part is Python is very easy to learn and it's an open source software, so you don't have to pay heavy amount for buying in software and installing into your software. So we welcome you to the Aptech to get digitalized and learn new things.
Very important, your resume, especially those who are freshers and even those who have work experience, should not extend more than 2 pages. Why I'll tell you. HR receives for any opening at least 50 to 100 resumes, right? Now you put yourself in the HR shoes. You have to go through 50 to 100 resume almost on daily basis. And if all those have more than 2 to 3 pages, that person's work gets complex and he gets tired. So, empathizing with that person, make sure that your resume is 1 page. For a fresher, your resume should not go more than 1 page. Hey, kya likhna? Your 10th, 12th and your current marks, right? It should not take more than 2 pages and your extracurricular activity and skill set.
JDBC, Java database connectivity. Okay, so you can connect database to the Java programming language. So JDBC is the one of the API, application programming interface. You can connect JDBC database and your Java programming language with the JDBC Java database connectivity. Okay, so
what limelight, जिनके फादर के पास करोड़ों रुपए थे तो बच्चे को बिजनेस चालू कर दिया. नहीं, I'm talking about those people who started on their own and they are successful. Okay, I have seen many such examples. In Aptech, BCA करते समय 2 students project कर रहे थे. They were very hardworking. उलून सेंटर के student, very hardworking student. घर में laptop.
Okay, write here college name and location. I'm interested in which stream. In stream also you have to say. Okay, for field. I'm interested in science, arts, commerce, this stream, and that's why I have taken or I took admission in 11th standard that particular field or stream, and then